What's up guys, Cheapies aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're doing probably my favorite unboxing I may ever do on this channel. If you guys can tell by the title, it is actually one of my grails. I finally picked it up. There's good reason for me to actually pick it up. There's probably like a video maybe a year ago, or maybe even longer than that. I'll put it somewhere up there, but I talked about my grails and this was definitely on them. Definitely one of the ones that I had on there, and was the one I think I said I was probably gonna pick up. I don't really remember the video, but I've already opened it up because I need to check it because I bought it from GOAT. Actually, the only sneaker I've ever bought from GOAT. Most I've ever spent on any of my shoes. Everything else I get for retail, or I bought it like used on Grailed or something. But I did buy these ones used and I'm really excited about them, so let's just get right into the unboxing. So like I said, everything's already been opened. I've already put them on feet. I've already recorded the B-roll for this, so I know what some of the B-roll is going to look like. But I'm really excited. Got them on GOAT from selling basically a bunch of shoes on there over the years. Had enough credit, so nothing actually came out of pocket today. But here are the sneakers. If you guys can tell what the box is, very known. It says Nike swoosh on the top, so it means it's an off-white box. I think it may even be from the 10 collection for sure. I know it's from the 10 collection, but I don't know if the box is from the 10 collection. A little beat up, but they actually gave me like an $85 discount because it was a little beat up, but it's one of my grails. Something I picked up. Looks like it's been around all over the place. It actually has a Soul Supremacy sticker on it. I'm really just stalling because I don't want to show you guys right away, but Soul Supremacy sticker on them. It's at the 10 collection, one of my favorite sneakers of all time. So if you guys haven't seen that video, here it is. If you guys don't know, off-white box is basically inside out. We'll just show that real quick. It says Nike swoosh on it, and then on the inside it's like a normal Nike box, but off-white paper. But here they are. They are the Nike Blazers, the off-white Nike Blazers, the original ones from the 10 collection. This one actually has all of the laces and that kind of stuff. The tag is still on them. They have a StockX sticker. They have a GOAT sticker. So they've been all over the place, been authenticated by Grailed. So one of the ones I've been looking for forever, and one that I really need to pick up. So the reason I decided to pick these up now, you guys will see some B-roll of them throughout the thing, but you guys know the off-white collection. There's a ton of stuff on the inners where it just says like off-white and stuff like that. It says shoelaces on it, giant Nike swoosh, Nike Blazer. I did a video about the normal Nike Blazers that are like $100, and I was like alternative because I've never probably spent that much, but I have spent this much finally. But the reason I've spent this much is because actually these are going to be my wedding shoes, so I'm going to be wearing them for my wedding in probably like a year now. So I sadly won't be wearing these on feet other than maybe like around the house or something like that, but I want to keep them as nice as possible. They aren't used, so they're not like in the grace condition. They're not brand new. I wasn't paying like $1,900. I paid $800 something for these. They're probably the best looking ones on GOAT, and they came with the box, which is what I wanted. I wanted like everything, even if the box was beat up, but I put an offer. It was like $920 or something like that, plus all the other stuff. And then they sent me a thing that said box was badly damaged, offering 10% discount. So I was like, sure, I'll take it. I still want them anyways. So that's why I got them. They're my favorite sneaker ever. I don't think anything's going to top these. There's other sneakers I want and stuff, like the Chunky Dunkies are one of my other favorite sneakers, but this is one of the ones that like I really missed out when I like first got into sneakers. I feel like I was just right after this, or wasn't paying attention enough. For the 10 collection is definitely something I've wanted since I've seen them. The black versions, there's a black version, an orange version, and then the Serena Williams like pink version, pink and like gray version, which I think is pretty cool. But these are the original ones from the 10 collection. 10 collection is obviously the first collection with Off-White and Nike. So these are the original ones in like the white colorway with the big Nike swoosh, white and black. Just one of my favorite sneakers of all time. It's got the orange zip tie on it. I'll take the zip tie off during my wedding. I may switch it to the white laces. I think the black are pretty cool, but the white laces might look a little cleaner. I'm not exactly sure everything I'm wearing yet. So, but these are one of my grails. When they got in, I just kind of like stare at them and put them on my feet, and I was so happy that I got them. It's like basically when I got my first pair of Yeezys. Because I thought they were like kind of unattainable when I first got, what was it, the Cloud Whites. When I first got the Cloud Whites, I was super excited about them, and these are like the next sneakers that I've probably ever been like super excited about and just like want to wear them. But I will be saving these. Probably cleans up a little bit. They're a little dirty. They definitely need a little bit of like cleaning. There's basically like no wear on them. I mean, for like $1,000 off of new, I couldn't pass that up, especially since I already had the money in GOAT. This was the one I've been looking for forever. I know it's not like a crazy like $5,000 sneaker or anything like that, but the Blazer is probably my favorite silhouette. It was one of like the first sneakers I like got when I was getting into sneakers, and then I don't know, it's just really comfortable and stuff like that. So these are off-white Blazers. I'll show you guys some B-roll, and then we'll wrap the videos and show you guys them up a little closer and actually on feet, because I am wearing these sneakers, and these are going to be part of my collection for a while now. So let me show you guys some B-roll. So once again, here they are, the off-white Nike Blazers, mid whatever. Obviously, they say off-white on the side. They're just like, they're such a clean sneaker and so easy to wear. I feel like it's definitely like an understated, like $1,000+ sneaker at this point. I mean, if you know it's an off-white, you're obviously gonna be like, that's an expensive sneaker. But I've never had anything of this like much, like cost this much. Like sure, some of my other sneakers, like all of them combined, are a decent amount of money. At least for me, like I don't have anything crazy, but something this ridiculous for me is like insane, especially since it's one of my grails, and finally get something like that. I'm really happy. Probably won't be picking up another grail for a really long time unless something happens, but I'm really happy I finally picked these up. Finally have an off-white in my collection, and they're gonna be staying there and probably have them forever, especially since they're gonna be tied to my wedding. So thank you guys for watching. I know like nothing crazy, and like these have been out for forever, so you guys have seen a ton of unboxings. They've been mystery boxes, stuff like that, but for me, big sneaker for me to pick up, and I'm really happy about it. But with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you think of sneakers. Tell me your guys' grails or something from the Off-White 10 collection that you really like or something like that. But these are my grails. Finally picked them up. I'm really happy about them. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.